In this video, I'll guide you through how to create variables in Typeform. Whether you're new to Typeform or looking to enhance your forms with personalized data, understanding how to create and manage variables is essential. Variables can help you customize the user experience by storing and using specific information throughout your form. To get started, head over to typeform.com. This is your first step towards setting up variables in your form. If you haven't already, log into your account or create one if you're new to Typeform. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your forms, or you can create a new one if that's what you need. Select the form you wish to work with by clicking on it. This will open up the form editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the form editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the workflow option. Click on Workflow to access the various settings and functionalities available for your form. You'll find that Typeform offers a variety of features to customize how your form operates and interacts with respondents. Now, at the top of the Workflow section, you'll see a tab labeled Variables. Click on this tab. This is where you can manage both default and custom variables that can be used within your form. Variables can be incredibly powerful. They allow you to store data, such as numbers or text, that can be referenced later in your form. To add a new custom variable, look for the option that says Add Custom Variable. Click on it, and a new section will appear where you can define your custom variable. This step is crucial for tailoring your form to collect or manipulate specific data points that are unique to your needs. Next, you'll need to enter the details of your custom variable. Start by giving your variable a name. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the data you're going to store. Then decide whether this variable will hold a number or text by selecting the appropriate type. Finally, enter the initial value for your variable. This could be a default value or something specific that you want to start with. Once you've entered all the necessary information for your custom variable, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your changes are securely stored. Saving your variables will enable you to utilize them throughout your form, adding a layer of personalization or logic that can enhance the user experience. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to create variables in Typeform, enabling you to make your forms more dynamic and personalized. By following these steps, you can capture and use data more effectively, tailoring the form experience to meet your specific needs. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or gathering information, variables can be a powerful tool in your Typeform arsenal. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.